Hey YouTube, this is the reccomend 56 here with a bike check because it is raining outside, or else I would be riding right now. This is a mostly stock DK Cleveland. I think this is the 2013 model. Uh, got DK bar ends, DK, I think they're the Suku grips. They're pretty, these bars are not that bad. They're DK bars. I usually would say DK bicycles right here, but I took that sticker off as I took most of them off. Nice brake lever. The brakes on this bike don't work that well stock, but they're okay. I'm probably gonna take them off. We got DK Street Trail and Park tires. I don't know how that works, but they're pretty nice. The good thing about them is they have tread that goes all the way, almost all the way down the sidewall. So it doesn't matter what you ride, you won't lose grip. I don't know what kind of rims these are. It's a Star Circle rim. They're 6061 T6 alloy. So they're pretty strong, but they're only single wall. So yeah, I got a 3/8 hub, non-sealed. DK 3-piece cranks with a sealed mid-bottom bracket. DK PC pedals. An orange Vise seat. Another DK 3-piece crank. Another PC pedal. 25 tooth DK sprocket with a gold chain with a master link. Clear gripper brake pads. 14mm rear axle with a 9-tooth driver and a DK hub that's unsealed. And another Star Circle rim. So here's my bike. I'll do a hub check for you. So yeah, it's a okay hub. It's pretty loud. Subscribe for more. I also ride scooters. I also scooter and skateboard. So yeah, I'll be putting some edits up sometime with my friends. With some street spots. Oh, one more thing. This stem is horrible. It loosened up on me I don't know how many times already. And this freaking compression cap, yeah, don't try to loosen it at all because this is what happens. It just strips. Like, this stem holds good. It holds the bars, but you have to tighten it before you ride every time. Haven't had a problem with the cranks, and my bars, I can feel them move back and forth. But I can just feel it. I know it. It sucks. Other than that, it's an okay bike. It was only 100 and some bucks I got it for. But overall, I like it. So, it's a chromoly frame and fork. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks. Subscribe for more. Have a nice day.